In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Asana tasks in Slack. Start by opening Slack in your browser, or open the Slack desktop app if that is where you normally work. Sign in to your Slack workspace using your account. Once Slack loads, look at the left sidebar and click the channel where your sample message is posted. In this walkthrough, the channel is the general channel. In that channel, confirm that you can see the sample message about the Q2 newsletter, because that is the message you will turn into an Asana task. Next, install the Asana app in Slack. On the left sidebar, click More. From the menu that appears, click Tools. In the Tools area, look at the left sidebar again and click Apps. This opens the app browser. At the top of the app browser, click into the search box and type Asana. Give the search a moment to load, then choose Asana, the official app by Asana. On the Asana app page, click Add to Slack. A browser tab opens asking permission for Asana to access your Slack workspace. Review that you are on the permissions screen, then click Allow. Slack redirects you back into the workspace, and the Asana bot posts a welcome message in your Slack bot direct message. Now connect your Asana account. In the Asana welcome message, click Authenticate with Asana. A new browser tab opens on the Asana authorization page. If Asana asks you to sign in, enter your Asana account details and complete the sign-in. When the authorization page asks for permission to connect Asana with Slack, click Allow. After the tab confirms that the two accounts are linked, switch back to Slack. Now open the Create a Task action from the Slack message. In the left sidebar, click your channel again, the General channel, so you leave the Asana direct message and return to the message you checked earlier. Move your pointer over the sample message about the Q2 newsletter. When the hover toolbar appears on the right side of the message, click the three-dot icon for more actions. In the menu that opens, move your pointer over, connect to Apps, the row with the arrow on the right. A submenu opens beside it. In that submenu, click Create a Task under Asana. The new Asana task modal opens. At the top, click into the task name field and type Draft Q2 Newsletter Intro. Type it carefully as the task title, because this is the name that will appear in Asana. The assignee field is already set to you, so leave that field unchanged. Click the Project field and start typing Marketing. When the drop-down appears, pick Marketing Tasks from the list. Next, click the Due Date field. In the Calendar picker, choose Next Friday. The description field is already filled in with the original Slack message and a Created From link, so leave that text as it is. The Slack channel field is already set to the General channel. Leave it selected if you want Slack to post a confirmation in the channel, or use the X button or drop-down to clear it if you would rather not post that confirmation. When the modal is ready, click Create in the bottom right corner. Back in the Slack channel, the Asana bot posts a confirmation card with a link to the new task. Click the task title in that card. A new browser tab opens directly on the task inside your Marketing Tasks project in Asana. Confirm that the task shows the task name, the assignee, the due date, and the Slack message link in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your Slack channel now shows an Asana bot confirmation card linking to the new task, and the same task appears inside the Asana Marketing Tasks project with the assignee, due date, and a clickable link back to the original Slack message. Congratulations!